let me touch your shoulder here. You guys gotta talk. What's his name, Mom?
Daniel. You're right, sweetheart.
January 15th, 1991. He was born on
11.
and he went right back to sleep. Wake up, guy. Don't you want to see? Look at this red light right here flashing at your face.
Daniel,
Wake up. There